This is the one, the sinking down of the earth in Arabia. And number 10, that a fire will come out of Yemen. I don't understand this to be a literal fire. I understand this to be a revolutionary fire. You remember 1990? Some of you may have been born already, 1990. When Saddam Hussein sent his troops into Kuwait and took over Kuwait, remember? Oh my, you should have seen the Malay people, they were all celebrating. Yes, the Malay were very happy, and all the Malay were supporting Saddam. In Singapore as well, giving headache to the Singapore government because they detested Kuwait. They detested Kuwait. And the Yemeni people, there were about 8 million of them working in Saudi Arabia. And the Yemeni people all applauded and they supported Saddam Hussein. So when Bush Senior sent what he called a desert storm and pushed this Iraqi army out of Kuwait, Saudi Arabia then retaliated against those 8 million Yemenis, threw them out of the country. So the heart of Yemen is anti-systemic. The heart of Yemen despises the oppressor. And this is why the Prophet said, Allahumma barik lana fi shamina wa yamanina. O Allah, grant blessings for us in our Sham, Syria, and our Yemen. I wish he had included Indonesia as well. And so a fire will come out of Yemen and drive mankind to their place of assembly, which is Arafat. And so that spells goodbye to Saudi Arabia. These are the 10 major signs of the last day. And I don't have the time now. Each one of these will take some time to explain. Each one of these. I'm writing a book on Dajjal now. And I hope I can complete that book while I'm here in Malaysia. I've already written this book on Gog and Magog. It's the only book in the market in the modern age, the only one. But you should now, because of today's lecture, and because you have been to KLCC, don't tell me you've not been to KLCC, and you've seen the tall buildings. Today's lecture is a wake-up call that you must study the subject of signs of the last day, and that you have to concentrate your study on the major signs, the 10 major signs. This book is entitled Signs of the Last Day in the Modern Age, and in this book there is a collection of essays dealing with this subject. Now, apart from the major signs, let me share with you some of the other signs and then we'll end. Okay, you have to have your lunch. I don't know how tasty your lunch is going to be now, but I have to tell you. He said, sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam, he said, in the last age, women will dress like men. I hope you don't get angry with me. Women will dress like men. So you will see her in a jacket cut masculine style jacket. And you will see her wearing trousers. And I have seen her with a tie in McDonald's. A tie. And this is the working woman's clothes. When you see that, tears should come in your eyes. That 1400 years ago, our prophet, in the desert of Arabia, he said that this will happen. Why is she dressed like a man?